My name is Lokita Khurani. We are KYN Labs by Clarion. It is the foray of Clarion Group into the color cosmetics. We are a pure ODM solution, wherein we have research here in Mumbai and we have our manufacturing coming up in Gujarat. So here at KYN Labs by Clarion, we offer a complete solution right from the customer briefing till the dispatch. So every small detail, right from the formulation, which is purely based on the customer requirement and customer feedback. So we have the formulation, then we have the packaging, we have the primary, secondary, all the packaging, and we engineer a final product ready for dispatch for the customer. We have a good scalable unit coming up in Gujarat. Anytime now, we'll be starting with our manufacturing. There is no decision, which you take which really pays off, or whether it doesn't pay off. It is a decision you take by your own, on your own, and for your own. So there's nothing I can say that this decision paid for me. I believe every decision that I have taken till now has paid. I don't think there's any problem. There can be hurdles, but there can never be a problem. Yes, there are a few hurdles, wherein you are making something, wherein you're trying to implement something, but it might not work the way you really want to. And I can't name anyone in specific. There could be many. So, yes, but I still believe there's no fun in business or in manufacturing without a hurdle or without a problem. So I still feel, everything for me is an experience rather than a hurdle. Honestly, if you ask me, my expectation from CMPL this year is to make a lot of, to make noise or to shout out that yes, KYN Labs by Clarion is here. Maybe the wait that everyone was waiting for all these years is over and we are here. That is the one big thing that I want to really announce and tell on CMPL. It has built a faith in the minds of the consumers, whether it is a direct consumer or a business, or B2B, what you call, a faith that yes, once we are in CMPL, they are all rest assured that yes, our job will be done here. It is that faith and the confidence that CMPL has built over the years in the minds of the people and the consumers. And it's a platform which where people feel, here in CMPL, if we don't get a solution, then we'll not get it anywhere in the country. Overwhelming.